Hey guys, nice to have you back. Let's go with a recap of Tesla from the 23rd of June till the 27th. Let's start with the 23rd. We finally got the breakout that we are waiting for. As you see, if you've watched the last video, talked about all of these untested highs here that are full with liquidity and are waiting to get tested. And here we have a very nice fair breakdown. This is a retest for me. And here we have another small fair breakdown, and we created this kind of a wedge. Okay, so I want to see a breakout, and this is what we got. Let's move to the 15-minute chart and put our levels. Okay, 23rd, there it is. Let's hide what happened, minimize it. Okay, let's put our levels. Pre-market high, let's put it in light blue. Let's take this one. Pre-market low, and let's put yesterday high, change it to a bit of darker blue. And yesterday low. Okay, can't see enough, so let's move to the 30-minute. Let's put the main high for me. This is the main high. After we break out of this high, we should never look back. Just go and go and go and go with a target of at least 350. Let's paint it in. Let's do red. Okay. So after we've been through the time frame chart, I will show you how the plan looked at this day. Just a second. 27, 23rd, I'm sorry. 23rd of June. Okay, I don't have the drawn plan, but I have the written plan. Let's put it here so we can see. I used to use this graph or chart to go over what happened. I created a checklist, but I don't use it anymore. But it's a nice exercise for beginners. Okay, another high probability fair breakout long day. Last day we got a fake breakout that led to a fake breakdown. Main untested highs are 330, 250, 336, plan A, FBD, BO long against pre-market key level, FBD to long with line in sand, 332, and 336 with TP, 340, 345, 350. And this is what we got. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. I've added the 5 minute and the 15 minute charts next to us because I think it will be way clearer to see. It will be very helpful for us because the 1 minute chart is for executions, but data from charts will dictate the bias and will give us even more hints about the executions. Okay, this is here, 1 minute chart. So we're with the 1 minute chart. As you can see, we had a pretty tricky 1 minute open. We didn't have a fair breakdown of a key level. If I would have seen fair breakdown of this with a dip and push with a wick, I would have hit with all of my size enter, but we didn't get it. We get an instant push. Tiny fair breakout of the main high time frame key level. And we got a pullback here. I heard a nice phrase from a guy on a YouTube video, and he said that you want to trade on emotions area. What does it mean? After this push, a lot of longs are chasing. So we got a tiny fair breakout and a pullback. Here all of the longs are thinking, oh shit, my trade is dead, and shorts are getting in. Shorts are getting FOMO'd. What we got? Another push up. I longed right here as a kind of a fair breakdown of this 1 minute candle. It's not a valid trade every day, but today on the 23rd, it was a valid trade as we expecting a time frame breakout. So you can chase a bit. And it used to be very, very tricky, the price. Got stopped here, and then we soaked back up, did a fell breakout of this level, backside cleared of this level, and we get in soaking up, we soaked up. Here I took another long, covered 50% here after I seen a price action that told me we're kind of topping for the leg at least. So I took half here. So if we are pulling back, I will take the rest break even, and if I will be able to, I will enter again. If my thesis will be met. Went up, covered another 50% here, and covered actually all of my positions. I will show you my chart right now. Unfortunately, I got it with a starter size and not full size, but yeah, pretty nice trade. From here to here, it's like how much? 8 points. Yeah, nice trade. Nothing to say. Very nice trades. And as you can see, it went on and on and on and on. If I would have taken it with a full size, I would have covered like 30% here, 30% here, and I think I will leave the rest for the 350. And we got it. As for entries here, I don't see anything. This low is 342.67. This one is no, it didn't break this one. If we would have broken this one, I would have taken it long. Maybe this one, but we're too extended, so I don't see an entry signal. This one is a nice, very, very nice. You can see flag, fair breakdown of the bottom of it. Very nice one. Very, very nice. Let's move to the 24th. This is it here. Okay. Let's put our levels. Yesterday high. Remove this one. Market. We'll see in a moment. This is 4 a.m. candle. Yesterday low. Okay. Let's move here as well. Remove this bullshit candle. Okay. This is the open now. Okay. These are levels. Maybe I'll use. Okay, the pre-market low is fine. So 24th of June. Let's see what was my plan. I have drawn. Let's see. Okay. I waited for a fair breakout, retest, and a move lower, or on the other side, instant dump and a grind up. Okay, based on stats and the previous similar days, I call it day 2. This is what happens. So let's see what we got. Let's move to the 1 minute candles. This is the, okay. Open, as we thought, an instant dump. Could have been this one, but this is not my, this wasn't my thesis. Went down, Doji, small backside clear out, wouldn't take it, and we went down. Small fell breakdown, and a nice move up. Here it was an area of emotions, a lot of longs, thinking, oh yeah, this is the reversal I was waiting for, let's long it, and they are longing, longing, longing just to get cleared out. As you can see, this is the level and clear out. I think on the 5 minute it will be much, much clearer. You can see it. Let's move the line. 5 minute candles high, got cleared out, and a drop. Let's see what I did for this day. Very nice day as well. Shorted it here for a clear out of this level, but it was pretty premature as we are after a huge, huge move down. I want to see a nice pullback before entering. So I took it with a starter size and got stopped. Here I got my backside clear out. Starter size here. And after this, another clear out or a retest, added more. Covered 30% here, 30% here, and 30% here. Looking back, it's a pike, and I should have covered all right here, and if I wanted to, re-enter here. But overall, not a bad trade, but I could have ended it by way, way better. Let's move to the 25th, or before moving. This is nice entry, and this is as well, this clear out. Okay, longs are chasing here and getting fucked. Shorts are putting the stop here and getting fucked. Very nice move. If we'll measure it, I think it's the same length. Yeah, almost the same length. Okay, let's move to the 25th. Back to the hourly chart. Once again, as you've seen, we got another dump day, the 15-minute chart, so it will be easier to take our levels. Okay. Pre-market high. I think it's this one. Yesterday low. Let's take the after hours as well. Pre-market low. Yesterday high, far, far away. Now this date, yeah, okay, let's put it here. This is the 25th, okay. 15 minutes. 25th, yeah, okay. What we got here? I was expecting at least a clear out, move up, drop some longs, and then go down because we have a nice fair breakdown here. It's at the after hours, so I don't really look at it, don't really give it any too excessive weight, but I wanted to see a push at the gate. I didn't want to see an instant down because shorts are chasing, and when shorts are chasing, usually they get fucked up, but here we got the complete opposite, and I look at this chart and I get mad because I recognized this short. Oh my god, in real time. Talked with Valentin, we have this discussion in Discord, this chat, and we're saying that here is a nice short, but I didn't really like the price section because we opened with not too much of a volume and we dropped instantly, so I wanted to see a trap at least. A bear trap or something, but we didn't get it. Very, very similar price section to the day before with this tiny little backside clear that didn't work and a move up to clear out and dump. Let's see the length, first leg, second leg is even bigger than the first one, so it's a very, very bearish sign. See if the second and the third, even the third is bigger than the second. Wow, that's crazy. Three full legs, each is bigger than the other. Look at this 15-minute chart. Oh my god, look at it. Just crazy. As you can see here, no, I don't think it cleared out. Didn't think it, don't think it took the 5-minute high. Yes, it did by a penny. So yeah, this happens as well. This day I didn't take anything. Looking back, I want to kill myself, but yeah, this is the game. Before looking at good entries here, I don't see something too good. On these days, you want to see soaks that getting sold off very, very strong. So you see soak, just for what? Just to go down. This one is a nice entry signal, but I wouldn't take it because we're coming after a huge move down. So I want to see at least a pullback with a trap to take it here. Yeah, it is what it is. I was pretty mad, but at least I didn't lose anything. To the 26th. Yeah, okay. So here we're already created a massive fair breakout. Massive bull trap. So the plan was to short it. But we have a little problem because we came after two dump days in a row and that's not happened usually, and the odds for the third one to work is pretty low, very low to be honest, because low shorts are chasing, and when shorts are chasing, yeah, there are no free gifts in the markets. So let's put our levels. Okay, so the plan was at least once again to see this retest, boom, slam down. And what we got? Shitty choppy day. You can see. What is this shit? I don't know. That's crazy. Look at the 5-minute chart. It's fucking crazy. Let's move to the 1 minute. Go over it very fast because this day not too interested in it. Nothing too clean. Opened. No, the levels are incorrect. And that is the pre-market low. And what is the pre-market high? Let's move just a second to the 5-minute chart. We put the levels in the correct place. Yeah, so now it's good. Yeah, okay. 1-minute chart. Open. We're opening. Huge move up. Strong parabolic move. Fair breakout of pre-market high. Thought about shorting here, but I didn't trust it. I want to see something pretty or bigger fair breakout or a backside clear out or flag to join after the fair breakout. Need an FBO. Come back up, retest. Thought about shortening it as well, but I didn't like it as we did a massive move down, then came up, so I don't like it and it's too obvious and a lot of shorts are taking it. And from here, just complete bullshit. My thesis, I think it was here, I put my chart, so we can go over it together. 26th of, okay, you can see after this fair breakdown, and all of these shorts, guys are shorting here, shorting, and nothing happens because when an A plus setup happens, it tends to work right away. Yeah, at the second that you enter, it goes down and it doesn't look back, and you just soak. So my thesis was a massive higher time frame. I don't know why it's closing it. on this one. Okay. I wanted to see from here if they clear out, fuck all of the shorts, retest, and then to get the massive move down. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. What I did is I longed after this backside clear out soaked and this backside clear out soaked and this backside clear out got soaked up. I longed right here, risked this candle bottom to see soak up, and as you can see, it didn't happen. Got stopped. After this backside clear out, I've shorted, reversed short here. Pretty dumb decision, but had very much luck because my stop was here, was sense from being triggered and then covered to the bottom. And this tiny fell breakdown. Looking back, I shouldn't trade it. Pretty shitty day. Just should have let it go and focused on the next day. Let's go to Friday, the 27th. And I see this high time fair breakout, kind of a retest here. Choppy day also. After choppy days, we tend to get a nice move to one of the sides. Thought to myself, maybe today it's the day. Today it's the day that she will dump. So my plan was to see backside clear out and dump or instant dump the gate to short it. And what we got? A day with complete bullshit. Let's put my levels. 4 a.m. This is okay. I'll adjust it later. This is the main line. Remain the same. Previous day high. Let's move to the 5-minute chart here. 7. Okay. Second, let's put the levels. Maybe the 10-minute chart would be easier. Okay, pre-market. Okay. This is the reprint low. So 1-minute chart. Open. Instant dump. For me, it was a very good signal for the short side. Next candle popped and failed. Shorted it here. Fell breakdown. Came up. For me, the 320 was an untested low. We didn't test it. Yeah, we didn't test it. And I saw some big beats there. So I thought to myself that probably it will get broken. But didn't happen. Went up, got stopped. And here was a bit too, maybe too early. But I looked at this tiny fair breakout. And also some kind of a long trap. I showed it again here and got stopped as well for 2 stops to end the day. I'll show the chart. At least it was 2 starter-sized trades, but I don't think they were too wrong because if they were correct, I would have banked like 3 times both of my stops, 2 times from what I've lost. So it's not a big mistake. We had like 2 or 3 days that behaved really the same. Open, the dump, popped, failed, or it went down, or we did a tiny consolidation, backside clear out, and boom, went down, but yeah, it didn't happen. Let's search the chart. Let's see if I have it. 27. I don't have it small, but I have it pretty bigger format. You can see short, stopped, short, stopped as well, and that was all for me. But yeah, it is what it is. When you look at it, Here we're reclaiming the pre-market low, really reclaiming it, and don't see any entry, maybe this one. This was the only entry, and we didn't break the pre-market high as well. It went back down, so it's a break-even trade. For re-enter, I don't see anything that I like. I really don't see. Let's look here. Fair breakout, our time from fair breakout, this level and also the pre-market high. Mm, Maybe this one, the short, but I don't see anything too clear. This one as well, but no, I don't like this price action. With the time, I prefer to take the A plus trades that will give me like 3, 4, 5, 6 hour than to bang my head against the wall for 1 or 2 hour trades. So not bad, really nice week, all rounded, pretty happy. And yeah, trying to get better and better each day passing by. Thank you for listening. Much love. We'll see each other next week.